Yep, my husband just racing his electric car on a nice, sunny, gorgeous day today. Oh yeah, having some fun. There he goes. Oh yeah. Woo! Woohoo! Right here. Oh, boy, that little car goes pretty fast. Woo! Oh.